Right. Bacakan naman.
Hi, and welcome back to my channel. I'm here today with...
Hi.
I'm here today with Hi, apparently.
Isuru.
Okay, what are we doing today?
Today we are doing the sibling cook-off challenge.
You like my cooking?
Sorry, I can do better. I can definitely.
The theme is chicken dish, so whatever type of chicken dish that you want. It could be fried chicken, it could be like a curry chicken, anything you want, alright? But the theme is chicken, it's gotta have chicken in it.
Yeah.
We each have a budget of manwon, which is
10,000 won.
10,000 won, which is
About like $8-9.
So this is yours. We're going to buy the chicken together, so
Yeah.
like split the chicken anyways. We're not gonna make a whole chicken each. Split the chicken, and the rest of the ingredients you can buy on your own. Spices and sauces are from the staple ingredients at home. Alright, so I guess we'll get going now to the grocery store. And
see you at the grocery shop.
yeah, we'll see you there. Okay, so we're at the store. We're going to split into two now. But actually, let's go buy the chicken first, because we're going to split the chicken anyways. And then we're going to vlog on our own. So he's going to vlog on his phone, and I'm going to vlog on my phone. And get our ingredients. We have our own baskets. Yeah.
What's good, y'all? Welcome to my side of the vlog. What I'm finna be cooking is, let me tell y'all what I'm cooking. I'm cooking the chicken piccata. You know what I'm saying? You feel me? You feel me? I don't know. I was just looking online for chicken recipes and it looked really good. I don't really need a lot of ingredients. I've got most of the ingredients back at home. But I do need to find chicken stock and shallots if I can find shallots. If not, I can just use onions. And I also need capers. So I'm gonna get back to y'all when I find those. Yeah? Peace.
Okay, so actually I have a lot of the ingredients at home. So all I need is garlic and some cornstarch. Cornstarch is like the powder. And got the garlic right here. Got the garlic right here. That's ingredient number 1.
Good news, guys. Thanks to my amazing detective skills, I was able to locate the chicken stock.
I found it for him.
No, you didn't. I literally found it myself. In case anybody wants to know what chicken stock look like, this is what it looked like. Chicken stock. Chicken stock. Feel me? Alright. One ingredient down. Peace.
So we have the two options of cornstarch and potato starch. I think I'm gonna go for the potato starch. Oh wait, it's a little pricey. That's the brownness in me coming out.
A few moments later.
I'll just get this one.
So I just found my last ingredient, capers. It was in the same exact aisle. Basically, it's right here. Capers. Feel me?
Alright, we're gonna check out and we'll do a little bit of more explaining of what the video is gonna be like in a bit.
Peace.
So we're back home, and as you can see, we have our ingredients in front of us. Got the chicken here, which we're both using, and this is Isuru's ingredients, and these are my ingredients. Generally, I'm gonna use other spices and stuff too, and you too, right?
Same.
Okay, then let's get started. I'm gonna go first. So I started off by cutting my chicken into small bite-sized pieces, and to season I added salt, pepper, vinegar, and some ginger and garlic paste, and some cornstarch to bind it all together. And I mix it up, and I don't really like a lot of breading, which is why I added cornstarch to get it crispy. And then for my sauce, I added 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, some corn syrup to get it sweet, some black pepper, chili powder, and then I mixed it on up. And for my veggies, I started by sauteing my garlic. And then I added my onions in. And after I let those soften up, I added my peppers. And there's my face. And after those softened up, I added my sauce in. And I also added some cornstarch and water to let it thicken. And then I let it simmer until it got thick. Once my sauce got thick, I added in my chicken. And I tossed it around until it got evenly coated. And then I was pretty much done.
So I first started off by putting some flour onto a plate, and then I seasoned my flour with salt and pepper, and then I mixed it around for me. And then I also decided to salt pan my chicken a little bit. You feel me? I'm saying, you feel me? I'm saying. And then I started dredging my chicken in the flour, and once I was done dredging the chicken in the flour, I put some olive oil into a pan, let it heat, and I just let the chicken sear on both sides, not fully cook. Just sear. And then I took it out and added the garlic into the same olive oil, along with the capers as well. And then once I realized they were both burnt, I added a tablespoon of lemon juice into it as well, and along with the chicken stock, and it was a bit concentrated, so I added some water to reduce it, and then I added that in there as well. And then I let that sit for a bit, and then I added the chicken back into the pan so that they can fully cook. And once the chicken was cooked, I took them all out, and I added some butter into the pan, let that simmer, and then I put the chicken back in and started basting the chicken. And then you flip it, start basting again, and then you're basically done.
Okay, so as you can see, we're done. I garnished mine with a little bit of peanuts, and
I garnished mine with a little bit of rosemary at the end.
this is what mine looks like. And this is what Isuru's looks like. Okay, so we're gonna invite our dad over to sit in the chair of judgment. We'll see what our dad thinks.
Yeah.
All right.
Hi. බොහොම ස්තුතියි මේ කන්න ලේස්ති කරලා දුන්නට උදේ ඉඳලා පැය 4ක් විතර ගියා.
කාල බලලා කෝකද රහ කෝකද පෙනුමෙන් ලස්සන එහෙම කියනවා ඉස්සෙල්ලා ඒ දෙක විතර
පෙනුමින් බැලුවොත් මේ මෙන්න මේක ටිකක් පිළිවෙලයි. දැන් මේක ටිකක් කොරියන් සිස්ටම් එකට ජපනිස් චයිනීස් කොරියන් සිස්ටම් එකට ටිකක් හුරුයි. හරිද? මේක වෙස්ටර්න් ශ්‍රී ලංකාත් කියන්න පුළුවන්. වෙස්ටර්න් ශ්‍රී ලංකා ඉන්දියා මේ වගේ සයිඩ් එකට මේක ටිකක් හුරුයි. මේ ප්ලේට් එක. එහෙනම් මම දැන් කාලා බලන්න මට. හරි ඔයාලට දෙන්න පොඩ්ඩක් ඉන්න. මං කාලා ඔයාලට දෙන්න. රස බලලා. Right. But you're kind of
Wait, let's give him some water.
Yeah.
What is that reaction?
Hey, you know me.
මේක කන්න ගොඩක් වෙලා ගියා.
Oh.
Oh, so it's tough. So it's tough.
මේක ඉක්මනට කෑවා. මේකේ ස්පයිසි ගතිය අඩුයි. අඹුල් ගතිය වැඩි ටිකක්. හැබැයි soft. මේක බැදිලා වැඩි ටිකක්. මේකේ ස්පයිසි ගතිය වැඩි වුණාට කට රස හොඳයි මේ. මේ දැන් මේකේ දැනෙන්නේ අඹුල් ගතිය ගොඩක්. මේකේ එහෙම එකක් දැනෙන්නේ නැහැ. මේකේ හැම රසම එක ගන්නට දැනෙනවා. රසෙන් මේක රසයි කියලා හිතෙනවා.
Good job. Okay. දන්නවද කෝකද කාගේ කියලා? දන්නවනේ?
නෑ.
Done
Guess කරලා බලන්න.
මෙන්න මේ ටික ගේනවා මම දැක්ක ඉස්සර හැබැයි.
ඒ කියන්නේ?
මම එහාට මට දුවද්දි ඒකින්ද මම හිතුවා මේක ඉස්සර ගේනවා.
Oh man.
Take it.
Oh මේක මගේ. මේක ඉස්සරගේ.
තමයි.
restaurant එකකට ගියොත් කෝකද order කරන්නේ?
මම මේක order කරනවා මේක පොඩ්ඩක් මේ අඹුල් අඩි කරලා දෙන්න කියලා.
So, thank you, Dad, for being in my video.
මගේ දුර අපතර එනවා වතන. ඊට වැඩි හොඳට. රසකෑමක් ලැබෙන සතිය හදලා දෙන්න කියලා මම කියනවා.
Was that a
I don't know about that.
Thank you.
I don't know about that, but
This one.
You're welcome. So, just to be clear, I'm the winner, right?
yeah, yeah.
Okay, so that's the end of the sibling cooking challenge war thing. Good game. Thanks for watching. If you're watching till the end, I hope you guys enjoyed that. Thanks for being in my video, by the way.
No problem. It was fun. I had a fun time. Yeah.
So if you enjoyed the video, leave a like, share this video with your friends, and of course subscribe if you enjoyed it. And I'll see you guys in my next video.